Next we have Remy. You're supposed to be the button. Flip it over. Just squiggles there. Flip the sweep job just like this. Come back in the front, press the button and listen. Oh, that is so awesome. It reminds me of the game when I was a rat. Love the sound effects. Oh, yeah.